Hey everyone, Tom from ODL. How to submit your first aligner case into the MyVivid portal. Let's go. So first you're going to get an email from Vivid and you're going to accept that invitation. It's going to lead you to here where you're going to put in a password. Verify your password. Submit that. And it's going to log you into the MyVivid portal. This is your dashboard. You can see your patients, your settings, practice details. Put in your practice name. Once you've put in your practice name, save it. And then let's start a new order. Put in your first name for the patient, the last name, their birthday if you'd like, and then the date you need it back. Typically around 2 weeks. Now we're going to save and continue. Here are the treatment goals. You can treat the upper, the lower, or both. You can also click the teeth that you'd like to treat. Here we'll treat 3 to 3 upper and lower. Are you comfortable with attachments and or IPR? Here you can choose. Then let us know your prescription notes. We'll do something simple, just fix the teeth. We also have retention that is an option. You can choose our Lux house brand Zendura or no retainers. We'll pick 4 per arch, 4 on the upper and 4 on the lower. Then we upload our scans. If you have impressions, you can click impressions and it will lead you to our UPS portal. For our scans, you'll find some scans. Click on the upper scan. Then you'll find the lower scan. Then you'll add in pictures. Ideally a 6 view. Save and continue. Watch them load. You can also add x-rays or additional files if you have them. And here's your order summary. Then we're going to confirm and submit the order to the Vivid portal. We'll go back to the dashboard and you can see all the orders with the status new. When we've designed your case, you'll get something under the Your Tasks, and then you'll have something to do. You'll have to review your case and you'll be ready to go on to the next step.